What's up guys, this is iTech1 here. So today is a very special day for me because I'm going to be unboxing my brand new iPhone XR. So the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max came out a couple weeks ago, and finally the iPhone XR is starting to ship out. Coming at a slightly cheaper price, the iPhone XR starts at $749 for the 64GB and goes up to $900 for the 256GB model. So I bought the product red version. Being a very popular color choice in previous phones like the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 8, this phone is not just about the color. So for 11 years now, Apple has partnered with RED, which is a global fund campaign that supports HIV and AIDS programs. Apple has raised over $160 million in funds through their sales of RED products. So if you purchase this iPhone, not only are you getting your favorite color, but you're also putting in your money for a good cause. So let's not wait any longer and get right into the unboxing. So initial impressions, the iPhone XR looks absolutely stunning. The red color is so rich and vibrant, which makes the phone look premium. This is actually the first product red iPhone I've ever held in my hand, and I'm already in love with it. What stood out to me the most about this iPhone's design is how the red aluminum edges complement the glassy red back. Now, a lot of people say that the iPhone XR is a downgrade from the iPhone XS lineup, but actually you're getting a lot of the same features. Both the iPhone XS models and the iPhone XR have the fast A12 Bionic processor, currently one of the fastest out there. Water resistance up to 1 meter of depth for 30 minutes, 2 meters for iPhone XS models, True Tone display, TrueDepth camera system for Face ID, stereo speakers, dual SIM, wireless charging, stereo recording, 4K video recording up to 60 frames per second, portrait mode and smart HDR, Animoji and Memoji. The iPhone XR has a 6.1-inch LCD Liquid Retina Display with a resolution of 1792 by 828 with 320 pixels per inch. Even though this iPhone doesn't have an OLED display with higher resolution like the iPhone XS models, this display isn't as bad as a lot of people thought it out to be. This display is bright with vivid colors, and I can't really tell much of a difference between the OLED and the LCD screens. Honestly, I think you're still getting a great display on this iPhone, so still consider it if you were worried about the display performance. Although we only have a single lens rear camera on this iPhone, it still comes with pretty advanced features like Smart HDR, which brings more shadow and highlight details to your photos. You also have adjustable depth of field and portrait mode, where you can blur out the background as much as you want. This could also be adjusted after the photo has been taken in photo editing menu. And the camera actually does pretty well in low light too. So overall, you're getting a very good camera on this iPhone. So this is it for this video guys. Please stay tuned for a complete review of the iPhone XR. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll get an instant notification when I post my next video. Until next time guys, take care.